These 5 effects are the difference between the footage looks edited and the footage looks like a movie. I'm going to show you all these 5 effects from start to finish in this one video. This effect makes your footage looks like it was shot on expensive lens. Let's go to effects panel and search for VR chromatic. Now double click on it, then it will automatically apply to the selected clip. Now go to point of interest through which you can adjust by moving it wherever you want the chromatic aberration. And if you want it on the edges, then click fall off invert. Now you can see the effect is applied on the edges only. You can also adjust the red, green and blue value the way you want. This one effect is why your footage doesn't look like a movie yet. Create an adjustment layer above your clip. Now go to effects and search ASC CDL and apply it to the adjustment layer. Now go to the effects and controls. Now set the green slope to 0 and blue slope to 0 also. Now under opacity, set the blending mode to lighten. Now add the Gaussian blur to the adjustment layer. Now you can tweak the halation by adjusting the blur amount. This is the look every wedding and travel videos are chasing right now. Duplicate your clip, hold Command or Alt and drag it up to a new track. On the effects, find Luma key and Gaussian blur and drag both onto the upper clip. In effect controls, drop Luma key to around 20%, push Gaussian blur to about 200%. Then change the blending mode of that clip. And here is your dreamy look. This one effect instantly makes your footage look cinematic and it just takes 10 seconds. Add an adjustment layer, search noise, drag it on. Bump amount 8 to 12%. Keep the grain size fine, not chunky. That's the line between 35mm film and cheap filter. This is the most ignored effect by beginners. Everyone chooses color grades and ignores this. This transition is in almost every viral edit right now and it takes only few seconds to create it. Now set your clip first where you want the transition. Now chop the 4 frames of the second clip and drag them to the upper layer. Now use the mask tool, click to select your subject with draw to add or option drag to remove. Set the mask feather to 10%. Now click here to track a mask. Now drag the object mask under the opacity. Now go to curves in lumetri color, drag the bottom left point straight up to the top. Now add the flicker sound under the transition. And there is your finished flash transition. Save this and try it on your next edit.